Hey guys, welcome back to the channel with another new video. In my last video I talked about HappyScribe, and today one of my viewers from India requested me to attempt test on his behalf, so I'm doing that. But I have already an account with HappyScribe and I have passed their test, by the way. Just waiting for the email to be to get started with them. First of all, I would like to request you guys to please do not skip the video. Okay, watch the video till end, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for latest updates, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Alright, once you are on this page, happyscribe.com, go all the way to the bottom and you will see this freelancers tab. Click on any of them, transcriber or captioner. Then it's gonna take you to the page where it will ask you to read the terms and conditions. After reading the terms and conditions and their English grammar rules, you will be taken to this page where they're gonna give you a video, and you have to do the captioning test over here. It's in British accent, by the way. Here you need to understand two things, which is character per second (CPS) and character per line. The character per second should be 20 or less than 20, and the character per line should be 40 or less than 40. Do not increase this limit, otherwise you cannot pass the test. The example for this is, let me just show you an example. If I drag this line over here, it's gonna decrease the character per second, but when I drag this line in this way, it's gonna increase the CPS, right? And character per line is that in one line how many characters you can write. You can write at least 40 characters in one line. If they are more than 40, you can just press shift and enter. It's gonna take those letters to the second line, like this, right? So you guys need to keep this thing in mind, and don't forget to read their guidelines. By the way, they have mentioned each and everything over here, how you need to attempt the test, and how you can do the real jobs as well once you are selected. I have already done with this captioning thing on behalf of one of my viewers from India, and after you are done doing this character per second or captioning thing, you need to listen the video and make sure that subtitles are placed accurately. Let me just play the video, then you will have a better idea.
Our political system is dominated by two big parties, Fine Gael and Fianna Fáil.
Other countries have a clear dividing line between the leading political groups, but in Ireland, we're different.
So what, if anything, does divide the two power centres of Irish politics?
In Ireland, we don't fit the international pattern.
The closeness of the village community fuses family, friendship, commerce, and politics, making each a personal affair.
Usually there's a big bloc on the left, basically people who favour higher taxes to pay for better public services and state involvement in the economy.
And then there's a bloc on the right who back lower taxes and favour market solutions. But in Ireland we've two big parties and they're both, broadly speaking, right-ish.
Down the decades they've moved further right or to the left, but they've generally sat around the centre of the political spectrum.
This is the way of things. In Ireland, it is the politician's role to provide the linkage between countryman and bureaucrat.
So where are they today? At the last general election, RTE carried out an exit poll asking people to place themselves on a left-right scale, so 0 being very left-wing and 10 being very right-wing.
The mean or average voter was at 4.98, pretty much bang in the centre. But supporters of Fine Gael and Fianna Fáil were at 5.84 and 5.7 respectively. In other words, both are slightly to the right of the average voter, and the two are almost exactly the same. So in crude terms, they're both targeting the same market.
But there could be differences on other issues, so nationalism, for instance. And that's the issue that divided Fine Gael and Fianna Fáil in the first place. The two stem from the Sinn Féin party, which split in the early 1920s over the Anglo-Irish Treaty.
The local common, or branch of Fianna Fáil, traces its genealogy directly from the first Sinn Féin common in the peninsula. Secretary of the common is John McAteer.
Alright guys, once you are done with this thing, you need to make sure that you are clicking this part of the captions. Do you see it went to the 98%, but when I click over here, it went to 100%. So you need to make sure that you are clicking this part of the captioning after you are done doing your work. uh, you need to go to the Google. Sometimes you need to do a little research in order to make sure the word you are typing is correct. For instance, I was confusing Finnegan and Finnafol. These are the two big parties in Ireland. Okay, and there is one more thing, which was, I guess, Sinn Féin party. Yeah. So I went to the Google, I typed the word, and Google gave me the exact results, and I put those results over here. uh, One more important thing is that how they're gonna pay you. They're gonna pay you from this website, vice.com. You must have to have an account over here. You After submitting your all the national IDs, they're gonna ask you for a selfie, and then they will take about 24 hours to make sure that you are the real person, and you are 18 plus, and you are the ID holder. Okay, once you are done with that thing, you need to activate your account in any currency. Like, you need to have a bank account either in US dollars, in Great British Pound, or in euros, whatever you would like to have. But this website gonna pay you through this, only through vice.com, right? So guys, that's all from today's video. Once again, I would like to request you guys to please watch the video till end every time, because you miss most important parts when you skip the video and then you straightforward ask for the PDF file. I don't have issue giving you the PDF file or Word file, but the thing is, if you pass the test by just copy and paste, what would you do in the real job? You cannot do anything, and they're gonna ban your account if you do make the mistakes, right? So you guys need to understand this point, that you have to learn something from yourself as well. Don't rely completely on anybody. Okay, just do some research and watch the videos, multiple videos, and gather the knowledge, then attempt the test. uh, in today's date, they have uploaded this video. I'm gonna submit the test, and I will share the results with you when I have. Usually they take like 1 week, maximum 1 week, and they give you the result, either you have passed the test or not. So let's just go ahead and submit the test over here. There you go. They're saying that thanks so much for expressing your interest in joining our community. We are delighted that you want to collaborate with us, and we would love to ask you a few questions, quick questions, to get you know a little bit better. They're gonna ask you, some personal questions and things like that. You are over 18 and etc. So that's it from today's video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions or questions, leave them in the comment section. And guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel, because there is a lot more coming out on this channel, which gonna help you out in earning online money like I'm doing right now. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a good day.